Click on the link below to get price. The AprilAire E080W Wi-Fi Dehumidifier is a powerful and efficient solution designed for managing humidity in crawl spaces, basements, and larger areas. With a capacity to remove up to 80 pints of moisture per day, this unit excels in environments where excessive humidity can cause significant issues, such as mold growth and structural damage. Installation is straightforward. The unit is designed to fit seamlessly in existing spaces, and its compact design allows it to be positioned inconspicuously. Many users appreciate the option for direct drainage, which eliminates the need for constant emptying of the water tank, making it ideal for long-term use in areas like basements and crawl spaces. One of the standout features of the E080W is its Wi-Fi connectivity. Through the AprilAire app, users can monitor and control humidity levels remotely, receive alerts when maintenance is needed, and adjust settings for optimal performance. This smart technology is particularly useful for those who want to maintain a comfortable environment without needing constant physical access to the unit. Performance-wise, the E080W impresses with its efficiency. It operates quietly and has a robust filtration system that captures dust and allergens, contributing to better air quality. The adjustable humidity settings allow for precise control, accommodating various preferences and conditions. Another notable aspect is its build quality. AprilAire products are known for their durability, and this dehumidifier is no exception. Constructed with high-quality materials, it promises longevity and reliable service, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners. While the initial cost may be higher than some competitors, the combination of features, efficiency, and smart technology justifies the price. For anyone dealing with excess humidity in larger spaces, the AprilAire E080W Wi-Fi Dehumidifier is a top-tier choice that delivers both performance and convenience. Overall, it offers peace of mind, ensuring a healthier living environment and protecting your home from the detrimental effects of moisture.